going to do a little Meet setup video instruction thing. So first thing, let's go to our Google Classroom, which you're sign in with your DOE Gmail account. It doesn't. I don't think it matters which class you choose, but just for our sakes, I'm going to choose 701. From here, I'm going to choose on classwork, and from classwork, I'm going to click on Google Calendar. And this is a Google Calendar from my account. It tells you that's what I've set up so far. So I'm going to click on a day on the time slot here on Saturday, and it says here 6:30 to 7:30. Let's pretend that I'm gonna have math class. I want to have math class from 6:30 to 7:30. Um, Let me click on more options. At more options, you have the choice to either make that a one-time thing, a weekly thing, a monthly thing, or etc. You can customize it however you want. So I'm just going to make it a daily thing. So math class, 7:01, 6:30 to 7:30. Then I'm going to add the conferencing, which is Hangouts Meet. And just like that, I have my Meet link. This is the link that you're going to give your students, and that's what they're going to click in to join your video online class. And I'm going to copy that link for later. Under guests, you can invite whoever you want, but in this case, I want to invite 701. And then you would save it. I'm not going to save it because otherwise 701 is going to get a little notification that we have class on Saturday. But you would save it, and that's it. It would show up on your calendar here on Saturday. It would be highlighted in whatever color. It'd be highlighted. And that's pretty much it. And then when you come to stream, so you want to notify your class. I know they get some type of a notification, but I would also share that with your class. So I would say, good evening. Here is your link for our live classes, our online classes. Okay. So, and then you would post it. Oops. You would post, and then that would be the link, and that link is reusable. That you can use this link. So I would use this link for 701 and 701 only from now until whenever this ends, and it's reusable. Okay, so you don't have to keep making one link every day for you know. A different link every day for the same class. You can just use the same one, even though you can even change the times. That doesn't even matter. So once the link is created, I'm gonna see if I can show you a little bit more. Let me use this one. So over here, let me put the link with paste and go. Leave page. It says allow me to use my camera. Yes. I would click on join now. And then there you go. I am on my own video conference. I can turn on captions, and turn on captions is really nice because it captures all your words, whatever you say, it's being typed. Okay, I would. I don't know yet, but I don't think that can be translated to another language. And if you do find a way of doing that, please let me know. So right now the kids are seeing what you're seeing, which is my face. But if you don't want to do that, let me see. Yeah, I have that. I can click on present now. I'm gonna click on your entire screen. I'm gonna allow that, and then now my kids are seeing what hopefully you're seeing, which is the screen. So you can go to your slides, and if here's your lesson, you can have your purpose, your do nows and whatever, and just move from slide to slide, etc. And that would be how you would do the lesson. So right now, you can't see this page, which is a little bit troublesome, right? Because over here, the kids will be typing among themselves, and you can also see who's in your class, who's not in your class. But the problem is when you're presenting, unless, like I said, if you minimize this page and just use this part, so your lesson will be occupying, I have a tablet, why am I not using it? Okay, so your lesson, all your words, your questions, everything would be on this side, and obviously not on that side. So that's one issue I found. So to sort of fix that, the fact that I personally would I would much rather use this whole page, and so I can, there's much more for me to write. So one thing I did is create a different account on a different computer. So if you have another device, log in. So on the laptop that you're seeing right now is what the kids are seeing, and then on the other laptop that I'm looking at, I have a student view. So over there, on the other laptop that I'm looking at, I can see the chats that are happening, and I can see who's in the class, who's not in the class, etc. So that's, again, if you have a second device that can help you, that would not be a bad idea for you to do. Okay. That's about it. It's been working okay so far. There's not too much lag. If there are too many people, I mean, I've had 33 people, and the quality was still okay. It might slow down a little bit, but not to the point that it's going to ruin everything. It's just a little lag. Okay, so that's about it. And then when you're done, stop presenting. You kick everybody out, and that's it. And you're done. So